Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to plant emerald oaks lettuce from seeds. Let's go! First, we're going to pour potting mix in it. We're going to add the seeds. Some people will just put 3 seeds per hole. In my case, I'm gonna put in 4 to 5, and then I'm just gonna separate or transfer them later if a lot of them sprouted. Okay, we can't see the seeds really, but it's just there sprinkled on top. And then we're gonna pour in some more soil or potting mix. Now we're gonna spray water on top to make sure that it's moist. Pour water. Make sure that the potting mix is well moist all the time. Now I'm gonna keep you updated after a couple of days, and then we'll watch out what will happen in a few weeks. Today is the 7th day since I planted the seeds, and I kept them moist by watering them whenever needed. So I would water the tray, let it soak for an hour, and then drain it. I didn't have to do that daily. I would have to do it maybe every 3rd day, but then it depends on where your plant is located. In my case, it's not too hot here, so it doesn't dry up quickly. I place it close to the window so it's on a bright environment. And as you can see, I have sprouts already. Not everything might be seen on the camera, but there's at least 10 of them already. Alright, I'll give you guys more update in a couple of days. Hey guys, today is exactly the 15th day since I planted the seeds, and as you can see, we have so many sprouts. And I'm so happy about it. And if you notice, I even have water right now in the tray. I'm letting it soak. Whenever it's starting to dry up, I let it soak for about an hour and then pour the water out. I will wait until they are big enough to be transferred to their own pots, and I will give you guys an update or a separate video about that. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and follow me for more videos about gardening. Bye!